Today we're changing fuel filter on my 2012 Ram 2500. Got a little hose here to drain the diesel out of the fuel canister. New fuel filter, bucket for the fuel, some paper towels. Went ahead and got our ratchet extension down there on top of the fuel filter housing. First step though, you want to break loose the little yellow tab on side of the fuel filter housing down there, and then let all the fuel filter or fuel drain out. Once under the truck, you'll come down here and you'll find that hose up there. That's where you can drain the fuel out of the fuel filter housing. Good, let her start draining. So when you go to the fuel filter housing and go lefty loosey on the yellow, now start draining fuel. Cracked open. Should start to see fuel here shortly. Now we'll just let her drain. Now we're gonna break the fuel filter housing loose and see if we can drain out more fluid before we pull the filter. Get the old filter out of there. Get your old box ready. Pull that thing up, out. A little dirty, not too bad. Looks like we almost got all the fuel out of there. Luckily none spilled. Pretty clean. Now you want to close the drain valve for the fuel filter housing and pull off your old rubber O-ring. There's the old one. Then we have our new filter. Clean up some fuel that spilled out of the housing. Towel right there. Now you throw your new O-ring on there. Throw in the new fuel filter. New fuel filters in there. Throw your lid back on. Now we're just going to tighten our fuel filter lid back down. Feels like a good seal all the way around. After changing your fuel filter, you want to cycle the key a few times. Try to get some fuel back into that housing. This will be the magic charm. Third try.